Well, Diggs, I've seen a lot of foundations in my time, but I have to say, you've done a very good job with those.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. Perfect edges, nice and deep, with a good flat bottom. What do you think, Maxine?
I'm with you there, Lug. Seems almost a shame to fill it up.
Oh, thanks. But why does doing such a good job always take a long time?
We've worked our pistons right down to the rings.
And so you should. A building rests on its foundations. If it isn't done properly, everything will fall down.
You young trucks, always in a rush.
Oh, Maxine, do you remember when we were on our first set of tires? We used to bodge things just to get them over with.
Ah, yes. Those were the days. You know, I haven't seen a bodge job in ages.
What's a bodge job?
It's something that's done very quickly and very...
Diggs, have you finished?
Oh, nearly.
Good. I need you to dig the foundations for the new entranceway.
Oh, not more foundations. Fed up with doing foundations all the time. Dig the foundations, Diggs. Make the flat bottom flat. Oh, this is going to take ages. There must be a quicker way.
Are you happy with your holes? Have you spent long, hard hours digging only to have your hole filled in again with cement and gravel? Well, try bodging it. The new, improved way to dig those hard-to-scoop foundations. Now, pay attention. Here comes the diggy bit. The Bodget system does away with all those deep holes, flat bottoms and square edges. Now you can simply dig a hole as fast as you can, and if it doesn't look right, don't worry, it'll soon be filled in, leaving you with more time to roll back and change your oil. Just bodge it.
That's it. I'll bodge it.
He's the bodger, the splidger, the splodger. He's the bodger. From the building site, he's the patcher, the splisher, the splasher. He's the bodger who never gets it right. A bodger splashes paint on, black or blue or brown, and covers up the cracks before it all falls down. He's the bodger, the splidger, the splodger. He's the bodger. From the building site, he's the patcher, the splisher, the splasher. He's the bodger who never gets it right. He'll bash it all together, then prop it up with wood. Before it crashed around him, it looks so good. He's the bodger, the splidger, the splodger. He's the bodger from construction site.
Now, I just need to get rid of all this dirt. But where? The perfect place. I'll just bodge it over there.
Oh, when do you need the next batch of cement, Bowser?
No rush, Maxine. I'm sure Diggs will be a little while yet.
Hey, finished.
Oh, hi, Diggs. You probably won't be ready for any of this gravel yet, but...
Actually, Scooch, I am. I used Lug and Maxine's bodget method, and I got the job done in half the time.
It looks a bit uneven.
Oh, that's nothing a layer of freshly laid gravel won't sort out. Come on, Scooch, let's bodge it together.
Well, if you're sure...
Of course I'm sure. We'll have this done faster than you can backfire the alphabet. Varoom!
Varoom!
Now that's what I call a job well done. I'll go and mix up the concrete to finish it off.
Right then. We know what comes next, don't we?
Do we?
The drive over.
Hey, what?
Well, we have to check that the foundations are sound.
Nobody said anything about
Right, here we go.
Bozer, I really don't think that's a very good idea. Maybe we should let it settle first, and then we can just maybe...
Well, I have to say, Diggs, you've done a very good job.
What's that rumbling?
Uh-oh.
Oh. Diggs, did you lay these foundations properly?
Of course, using my new improved digging system.
The budget method!
Oh.
I got the idea from Maxine and Lug.
Pardon?
Diggs, there are reasons why we lay foundations the way we do. And one of them is to stop trucks sinking up to their wing nuts in poorly laid driveways.
Oh, I see. You've got a point there, Bozer.
And the reason we stopped bodging things years ago was it only creates more work in the long run.
What was that?
Oh, I hope I'm not going to sink anymore.
Oh, it's not you, Bozer. It's coming from my mixer. It's all mixed up. There must be something wrong with the sand.
Where did you get the sand from, Maxine?
From the usual pile. Behind me.
Uh-oh.
Diggs.
I think that might be my fault as well. I put the dirt from the foundation over there to save time.
Oh.
Oh, well, I'd better tip this lot out and start again.
Sorry, Maxine. From now on, I know that if I want to do something properly, I have to do it slowly and carefully.
Especially important things like foundations and dumping. Right, somebody pull me out. We need to dig this driveway up and start again. And what method are we going to use this time, Diggs?
The slow and careful method?
That's the one!
I'm here to help you, Bozer. I'm bringing my hooky.
Oh, good machine, Carl.
I'll just scoop underneath and try and give you a lift out, Bozer.
Thank you, Diggs.
I'll watch.
They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they